Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Febriana Hayu Prastiani. NPM 201883000043. I'm a college student at STKIP Kusuma Negara Jakarta, program Math Education. This video was made as a final exam English Mathematics. The lecturer Mr. Wisnu Kala Kusumajati MPD. Next, point A, Cartesian plane. The question: explain the following coordinates of Cartesian plane in English. Answer: the coordinate of point B is 5 to the right of and 5 units above the origin. And C, the coordinate of point C are go back along the axing 5, then go up 5. The coordinate of point D are go back along the x-axis 6, then go up 2. The coordinate of point A are go back along the x-axis 6, then go down 5. The coordinate of point F are 0, the origin of, and go down 6. The coordinate of point G are 6, go to the right of, and go down 3. The coordinate of point H are 4 to the right of, and 0 the origin. The coordinate of point G are go back along the x-axis 4, then go down 2. And the coordinate of point K are 1 to the right of, and go down 4. The coordinate of point L are 2 the right of, and 2 units above the origin. The coordinate of point M are go back along the x-axis 2, then go up 7. And the coordinate of point N are go back along the x-axis 2, then go up 3. Next, point B is matrix operation. Read the question and the solution. If A is 3 times 3 matrix, the entries are A subscript 1 subscript 1 equals 1, A subscript 1 subscript 2 equals minus 1, A subscript 1 subscript 3 equals 2, and A subscript 2 subscript 1 equals 3, A subscripts 1 subscript 2 subscript 2 equals 2, and A subscript 2 subscript 3 equals 5, and A subscript 3 subscript 1 equals -1, A subscript 3 subscript 2 equals 0, and A subscript 3 subscript 3 equals 4, and B is the matrix 3 multiply 3. Matrix in the entries are B subscript 1 subscript 1 equals 2, B subscript 1 subscript 2 equals 1, B subscript 1 subscript 3 equals -1, B subscript 2 subscript 1 equals 1, B subscript 2 subscript 2 equals 3, B subscript 2 subscript 3 equals 4, and B subscript 3 subscript 1 equals -1, and B subscript 3 subscript 2 equals 2, and B subscript 3 subscript 3 equals 1. Find A minus B. The answer equals C subscript 1 subscript 1 equals -1, C subscript 1 subscript 2 equals -2, C subscript 1 subscript 3 equals 3, and B and C subscript 1 subscript 2 subscript 1 equals 2, B subscript 2 subscript 2 equals -1, B subscript 2 subscript 1 equals 1, C subscript 3 subscript 1 equals 0, C subscript 3 subscript 2 equals -2, and C subscript 2 subscript 3 subscript 3 equals 3. Next, point C is geometry. The question is find the volume and surface area of a cylinder cake. The answer, the volume cylinder equals P multiply radius square multiply T or height equals 3.514 multiply 4 square multiply 13 equals 653.12, and the surface area cylinder is the formula equals 2 multiply P multiply R multiply R plus T in the parentheses equals 2 multiply 3.14 multiply 4 multiply 4 plus 13 in the parentheses equals 2 multiply 3 dot 14 multiply 4 multiply 17 equals 40 427.04. Point D. Set and subset. And the solution, the number of set A are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in the bracket. The number of set B is 2, 4, 6, 8 in the bracket, and the number of set C is 3, 5 in the bracket, and the number of set D 2, 4, 6, 8 in the parentheses. Find A union B, A union A intersection B, A complement, and B intersection C. The answer is A union B equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 in the bracket, and A intersection B equals intersection, not intersection, but there are not equals number. Number 3, A complement. The complement of set A are all elements F of universe set that are not members of A. So A complement is 2, 4, 6, 8 in the bracket. Number 4, B intersection C equals not intersection, but there are not no equals numbers. Point A. Sigma. Read the question and the solution. Number 1, the sigma of 2 raised by k plus 1 times x raised by k goes from 0 to n equals substitution 0 in the k, so equals 2 raised by 0 plus 1 multiply x raised by 0 in the parentheses plus 2 raised by 1 plus 1 multiply x raised by 1 in the parentheses plus 2 raised by 2 plus 1 x raised by 2 in the parentheses plus 3 dots until 2 raised by n plus 1 multiply x raised by n in the parentheses in the bracket. So Point B is the sigma of -1 raised by k multiply x raised by k over 2k plus 1. K goes from 0 to n equals -1 raised by 0 multiply x raised by 0 over 2 times 0 plus 1 in the parentheses plus -1 in the parentheses raised by 1 multiply x raised by 1 over 2 times 1 plus 1 in the parentheses plus -1 in the parentheses raised by 2 multiply x raised by 2 over 2 times 2 plus 1 in the parentheses plus 3 dots until -1 in the parentheses raised by n multiply x raised by n over 2 dot n plus 1 in the parentheses in the bracket. Point F, calculus limit. Read the question and the solution. The limit of x over 3 minus root of x plus 9 as x approaches 0. The answer, substitution x to 0. So 0 over 3 minus root of 0 plus 1 equals 0 over 3 minus root of 9 equals 0 over 3 minus 3 equals 0 over 0 equals 0. And question 2, the limit of root of z minus 2 over z minus 4 as x approaches z approaches 4. The answer, substitution z to 4 equals root of 4 minus 2 over 4 minus 4 equals 2 minus 2 over 0 equals 0 over 0 equals 0. Point G, statistic, mean, median, mode, standard deviation. Read the question, the solution. Mark 0 until 20, 20 until 40, 40 until 60, 60 until 80, 80 until 100. Number of students is 0 until 20 is 4, 20 until 5, 40 is 26. 40 until 60 is 22. 60 until 80 is 16. 80 until 100 is 12. The answer, the main formula X bar equals sigma frequency multiply midpoint in the parentheses over sigma frequency. X bar equals 4,120 over 80 equals 51.5. Okay, thank you. See you again. Bye.